1 year, thousands of rides and an ever-growing family. The Jawa 350 has made its mark and we are here to celebrate. Introducing the new Jawa 350 Legacy Edition. This gorgeous motorcycle comes with a sleek wheels that keep the wind out of your way, extra back support for the ones who ride with you, a leg guard for added safety on your long rides. All of this makes this motorcycle a no-brainer choice, offering timeless charm and functionality. And that's not all. Every Legacy Edition owner gets this beautiful Jawa miniature collectible model. This exclusive Legacy Edition is available at an introductory price of just Rs 1,98,950, but just for the first 500 riders. Be a part of history. Book yours now.